Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 29th, 2025. I'm hoping everybody had a great Tuesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Tuesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather. Got the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be taking a look at the lower 48 and the tropical weather outlook as well. You can see right now we're going to start off with the lower 48. You can see we got some activity over here in portions of Nevada, up toward Washington, Oregon State, over to portions of the Dakotas, Montana, also down through Colorado, New Mexico, and also into the state of Mexico as well. Also got a little bit of activity down in the Gulf. Got more activity from Arkansas to Louisiana, all the way to the east coast of the Carolinas and all the way up into Virginia. Also got a little system here off the coast of the South Carolina, trying to produce a little bit of thunderstorm and shower activity there as well. A little bit down toward Cuba and also the Caribbean Sea. Need to monitor this system here. This system is a little suspicious to me here. Need to continue to monitor that. Right now it had some deep convection, but it looked like it's weakening a little bit, but it looked like it was trying to get its act together there as well in the northwestern Caribbean. As it moves into the Gulf, may have to continue to monitor it. We got a little system here spinning off the off the Mexico coast, continue to push to the west. Got more scattered showers and storms in this area. Need to monitor that activity over South America. And here's a vigorous tropical wave here. Need to continue monitoring it as it continues heads towards the Windward Island. Got more scattered activity also in the central and western tropical Atlantic. Alright, if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe, also like these videos, share these videos, and let's continue to get the show on the road there, folks. Alright, you can see here we got some flash flooding heavy rain over portions of New Mexico, North Texas, Oklahoma, western Oklahoma, southwestern Kansas, and central Colorado. Then we got some of around Iowa, to Missouri, to Illinois, Indiana, southwest Michigan, and southern Wisconsin. Thunderstorms and showers over here from Oregon to Nevada to northern California. Then again from Idaho to Montana through the Dakotas, down to Colorado, New Mexico, Arizona, and northwestern Mexico State. Then we got some activity from eastern Texas to Louisiana to the northern Gulf, Atlantic coastal water, Florida, Georgia to the Carolinas to Ohio, all the way up to Maine and the New Brunswick area, Atlantic coastal water around Rhode Island and Connecticut region, central and southern Michigan's areas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Wednesday. Here's your Thursday outlook. We got some heavy rain and flash flooding for northeastern North Carolina through Virginia to D.C., Maryland, Delaware, New Jersey, to Rhode Island, Connecticut, and Massachusetts. Also, a portion of southern New York State, southern Vermont, and southern New Hampshire. Then we got thunderstorms and showers from Maine, Atlantic coastal waters, all the way down to the Carolinas, the northern Gulf to Texas. Even got some across central and south Florida, including portions of the Florida Keys, northwest Bahamas. And then we got more thunderstorms and showers from Ohio to Missouri to Oklahoma to Texas to New Mexico to Arizona, northern portion of northwestern Mexico State, all the way into Wyoming, Montana through the Dakotas to Washington, Oregon State, and northern California and Idaho region, and southwestern Canada areas as well. Otherwise, expect dry high pressure to remain in charge of your local forecast area for your Thursday. Alright, let's move on to the current watches, warning, advisory map for your location across the nation. Alrighty, we got a colorful map tonight, as you can see across the board. We got a lot of heat advisories stretching from up here from southern Maine to New Hampshire, down toward Connecticut, Rhode Island, Massachusetts, Boston, down toward southern New York State, Pennsylvania to Maryland, D.C., also into Virginia, West Virginia, North and South Carolina to Florida to Alabama to Louisiana to Texas, all the way up to Iowa, Kansas, Missouri, also in the portion of Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Illinois region as well. You got some excessive heat warnings also in the portion for West Virginia, southern Ohio, also central Georgia, also in the portions of Alabama, Kentucky, Tennessee, also up toward southwest Indiana, southern Illinois, a little bit over a portion of southwestern Iowa, eastern areas of Nebraska, more in southeast Missouri, eastern areas of Arkansas, northeastern Louisiana, much of Mississippi. Got some air quality alerts also in portions of southeast Texas, central Texas, also Wisconsin, northern Michigan, Minnesota, northwestern areas of Colorado. Also got some flood watches for West Texas into areas of New Mexico, Colorado, also portion of Iowa, and a couple counties in Nebraska. Got some severe thunderstorm watches and warnings in South Dakota and also in the portions of northern Nebraska, and also in Montana, and also Wyoming region as well. Flash flood warnings in Colorado, and also we got some red flag warnings over here in areas of Utah and Nevada, Northern California, Oregon State, and also into portions of Washington State. We've got some heat advisory there also, special weather statements in Oregon. Let's see, we got the small craft advisory, gale warning from Southern California to Oregon State, also around the central and south Hawaii and Chain Island as well, and a little bit to the western areas of Alaska. Alright, let's move on to the Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is for your Wednesday. We got a general thunderstorm from Washington State to portions of California, Nevada, to Montana, to New Mexico, Arizona, to North Texas, to Nebraska, South Dakota, to Louisiana, to Florida, to the Carolinas, all the way up to northern Maine. We have a marginal risk to severe weather. This is a level 1 out of 5, stretching from Billings, Montana to liberal portions of Kansas, North Texas there, and then from Kansas City all the way over toward Portland, Maine, including Baltimore, also up toward Scranton, Columbus, Ohio, also portions of Indianapolis, Indiana, also Springfield, Missouri. Tornado probability is going to look like this. Less than 2% all area. Damaging winds 5%, like I said, from Montana to North Texas, then from Kansas to Maine. And then large hail looks like this, from Scranton, Pennsylvania, all the way up into portions of central and northeast Maine, northern Texas into portions of Montana. We're going to take a look at day number 3. It's just pretty much just general thunderstorms across the board. Alright, pretty much general thunderstorm. Like I said, I would not be surprised to see a severe thunderstorm anywhere in this area. Could be a marginal risk added in some spots, so would not be surprised to see that as well. But you can see anywhere from Washington State to Nevada, all the way to the East Coast, from Florida all the way up to New York City, and in between you can see we have general thunderstorm. But like I said, some area there could be a marginal risk added later to the forecast. Could be some severe weather also included in that as well. Alright, let's take a look at the National Hurricane Center. This is a tropical weather outlook. This is for the next 7 days, and you can see tropical cyclone activity is not expected during the next 7 days. So right now it's pretty quiet. A few tropical waves we need to monitor. Still need to watch somewhere in the northern Gulf, southeast coast. Still could be something developed by the Weather Prediction Center. I showed in a video I think last week sometime, or a couple days ago. Can't remember which video, but you can check it out. You'll see where I'm talking about. Could be something in the northern Gulf and also off the southeast coast. So, and also there's a tropical wave that could come from Africa, could move across the northern Leeward Island, could be off the southeast coast sometime around maybe around mid-August. So we'll continue to monitor that, or sometime between August 1st to August 13th time frame. So alright, well, I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. Like these videos, share these videos. We'll catch you back in the next one. So have a wonderful Tuesday evening, folks. Take care and also enjoy the weather, because it's the only weather you got.